Why winning is not everything. Whether you win or lose, what mattered the most that you at least tried. There would be a point in your life where you have to face the defeat. On that point of your life, you would lose everything if winning has been everything to you. You would lose the motivation to stand up and fight again, as your energy and motivation would be drained away with the defeat in the game. The desire to win is the right attitude. Your burning desire would keep your motivation and dedication alive even after you have been defeated a multitude of times. Your burning desire, your true want, would not let you lay down your arms ever again. If this attitude has been drawn in your life, you would be successful in everything you try. Usain Bolt did not win his first race. He lost several races, but his desire to win made him the best athlete in the world. It is important to keep your desire alive. If your desire dies with each loss in the game, you will not be able to win again. Your motto should be to stay motivated all the time. Before you practice for your game, remember that you are there to compete with yourself. If someone defeats you, always remember that you have won against yourself. With each game you play, you are coming out to be a better and stronger player than ever. If you have been surpassing your own performance in the game, you should know that one day you will be surpassing the performance of the best player in your sport. Keeping this desire alive is very necessary to let your soul and body reach the winning position. That day is not far when winning would become your habit in your games and life as well. Success in life is not for those who run fast, but for those who keep running and always on the move. Powerful quote by Bangam Baiki Habya Harinama. Thank you so much for watching. For more inspirational videos, subscribe my channel Mind Tricks by Jyoti.